Hello students, today we are going to do the revision of subtraction by borrowing. We have covered this topic in our online sessions. I hope the concept is clear and you are writing it in your notebooks in proper pattern. The steps which we are following are very important. I expect you to follow the steps as shown in the video so that you will not miss out on any of the steps. The first sum is 430 minus 273. First we will see, can we subtract 3 from 0? No. So we will borrow from the neighbor. We will circle 0 and write 10 above 0. Cut 3 and write 2. Now the second and the most important step is we have to see whether can we subtract 7 from 2? No. So we will borrow from the hundreds place. Now we will cut 4 and write 1 next to the 2 in the tens place, which makes 12, and write 3 above 4 on the hundreds place. Now we will subtract. 10 minus 3 is 7, 12 minus 7 is 5 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So the answer is 157. The next sum is 856 minus 449. Can we subtract 9 from 6? No. So we will borrow from the neighbor, that is the tens place. We will circle 6 and write 16 above 6. Cut 5 and write 4. Now the second step is, can we subtract 4 from 4? Yes, we can subtract. So we will not borrow from the hundreds place. So let's subtract. 16 minus 9 is 7. 4 minus 4 is 0 and 8 minus 4 is 4. So the answer is 407. The next sum, 723 minus 545. First step, can we subtract 5 from 3? No. So we will borrow from the neighbor. We will circle 3 and write 13 above 3. Cut 2 and write 1. Now the second step. Can we subtract 4 from 1? No. So we will borrow from the hundreds place. Now we will cut 7 and write 1 next to the 1 in the tens place, which makes 11. And write 6 above 7 on the hundreds place. Now we will subtract. 13 minus 5 is 8, 11 minus 4 is 7 and 6 minus 5 is 1. So the answer is 178. I hope you are able to understand the sums. Let's go to the next sum. 980 minus 496. So can we subtract 6 from 0? No. So we will borrow from the neighbor. We will circle 0, write 10 above 0, cut 8 and write 7. The second step is, we have to see whether can we subtract 9 from 7? No. So we will borrow from the hundreds place. We will cut 9, write 1 next to the 7 which is under the tens place, which makes 17, and write 8 above 9 on the hundreds place. Now we will subtract. 10 minus 6 is 4, 17 minus 9 is 8 and 8 minus 4 is 4. So the answer is 484. let's go to the next sum. 813 minus 245. Can we subtract 5 from 3? No. So we will borrow from the tens place. We will circle 3, write 13 above 3, cut 1 and write 0. Now the second step is, can we subtract 4 from 0? No. So we will borrow from the hundreds place. Now we will cut 8, write 1 next to the 0 which makes 10 and write 7 above 8 on the hundreds place. Now we will subtract. 13 minus 5 is 8, 10 minus 4 is 6 and 7 minus 2 is 5. So the answer is 568. Next sum. 560 minus 282. Can we subtract 2 from 0? No. So we will borrow from the neighbor. We will circle 0, write 10 above 0, cut 6 and write 5 above 6. Now the second step is, we have to see whether can we subtract 8 from 5? No. So we will borrow from the hundreds place. We will cut 5, write 1 next to the 5 which makes 15 under the tens place, and we will write 4 above 5 on the hundreds place. Now let's subtract. 10 minus 2 is 8, 15 minus 8 is 7 and 4 minus 2 is 2. So the answer is 278. Now there are a few sums which you will be solving on your own in your rough notebook, and we will check these sums in our online session. So let's see the sums. 280 minus 196, 945 minus 759 and 756 minus 347. Hope you will do the homework. Till then, bye.